Introducing the MNG 300 Scalar Plus, which can generate white, unfilterable noise, preventing bugs, voice recorders, other eavesdropping devices from listening into your conversation. The device creates a background noise, swamping your conversation with white noise that can't be filtered out. Let's have a look at the device. The upper side of the MNG 300 Scalar Plus consists of a speaker, the bar graph indicator, the power and the reset buttons. The one button operation principle allows you to start up and automatically adjust the device. Just push one button and the product will do all the rest of the work for you. It works on a standard 9-volt battery. This is how the MNG 300 Scalar Plus operates. Turn it on here, wait for 5 seconds for the device to sample the current level of background noise, and then it's ready for operation. You should keep your voice lower than the noise generated by the device. Now, if you have more than 2 participants in the conversation, we recommend that each participant should have one of these devices in front of them. Let's see how the MNG 300 Scalar Plus works. You have to keep your voice smooth and even in volume, somewhere between a whisper and normal voice. The MNG 300 Scalar Plus. It's small, compact, easy to use, and its battery life lasts up to 10 hours. You don't have to be a technical wizard to use it.